In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove page numbers from a Word document quickly and easily. This is a really useful fix if you want to clean a layout, need to prepare a document for printing, or simply want to remove numbering from a specific file. It only takes a few clicks, and I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do it without confusion. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button, and make sure you subscribe for more simple Word tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Microsoft Word document and make sure the file is ready to edit. Once you're inside the document, look at the top menu and go to the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where Word keeps many of the tools for adding and removing document elements like headers, footers, text boxes, and page numbers. So even though we're removing something, this is still the correct place to start. After you click Insert, look for the page number option. Depending on your version of Word, it may be located in the header and footer section of the ribbon. Click page number and a drop-down menu will appear with several page numbering options. This menu is where you can choose where page numbers are placed, such as at the top of the page, bottom of the page, or in the margins. But for this tutorial, we're focused on removing them completely. In the menu, select Remove Page Numbers. Word will immediately remove the page numbers from your document. In most cases, that's all you need to do. The numbers disappear right away and your document will now display without page numbering. It's a fast and simple process, and you do not need any advanced formatting knowledge to complete it. If you don't see the page numbers disappear instantly, make sure you are working in the correct part of the document and that the page numbers were added through Word's built-in numbering tool. In some cases, page numbers may be inside a header or footer, so removing them through the page number menu is the easiest and most reliable method. If your document has multiple sections, you may also need to check whether page numbering was applied differently in different sections. The great thing about this method is that it keeps the rest of your formatting intact. You are only removing the page number element, not changing the content of your document. That means your headings, paragraphs, images, and spacing should stay exactly the same. So just to recap, go to the Insert tab, click Page Number, and choose Remove Page Numbers. That's it. Your Word document is now free of page numbers. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Word tips, Microsoft Office guides, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.